Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you already bought or run a subscription but the app isn't showing your premium access, you can restore your purchase in just a few taps. In this guide I will show you step by step how to restore a purchase in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, what restoring a purchase means. Restoring your purchase allows you to recover your premium subscription, unlock paid features again, sync your account with App Store, and continue your training plan. So this doesn't charge you again. So first thing first, open the Runna app, log into your account, use the same account used for the purchase. Okay. So now go to subscription or settings. Okay. So tap profile or settings. Okay. Open subscription or manage plan. So you have to have it in this window. Okay. So you have to be already upgrade. Your account should be already upgraded. Okay. So this is where your plan details appear. Look for restore purchase. Tap the button. Wait for the app to check your store account. This reconnects your existing subscription. Okay. After that, confirm access. So after restoring premium features unlock, your plan becomes active again. Subscription status updates. So restarts the app if the changes don't appear instantly. Okay. Common restore mistakes, for example, using a different app, Apple or Google account, no internet connection, trying to restore without a purchase, the application not updated. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.